Hi kids, I hope you are staying safe and happy. So, today I'm going to start a new series which is called Anyone Can Learn English. And this is part 1 of that series. And there is also a surprise in this video. So please watch till end. Today we will talk about verbs which are also called action words. So let's go to the definition of this. A word which explains what a noun does is called verb. I'm repeating. A word which explains what a noun does is called a verb. Verbs are also called action words. Let's go to next page to find more. So this video is about a surprise. Then we will go to what is a verb. I'll give you few action examples. And then we will learn with early morning activities. And then I will be telling what will be there in my next video. Okay? Let's go one by one. So first is a surprise. So the surprise is we will talk in our national language wherever possible for better understanding. So all of us know what is the national language? Which language is our national language? All of us know. That is Hindi. So, Hindi हमारी राष्ट्र भाषा है. So, we will talk in our national language wherever possible. Let's go to find more. So now what is a verb? Words which show what a noun does are called verbs. ऐसे शब्द जो हम एक नाउन के साथ यूज करते हैं जिससे कि ये पता चलता है कि नाउन क्या करता है या क्या कर रहा है, those शब्द और those words are called verbs. They are also called action words. ऐसे शब्दों को हम action words भी कहते हैं. Sometimes a verb ends in ing to show what people or things are doing. So in one of my videos, I talked about nouns. So noun is a person, a thing, a place, or an animal. So when we add this word with that noun, it becomes a verb which explains what the noun is doing or what a noun does at that time. Okay? And if the verb is ending with ing, it tells what people or things are doing at that particular moment. Okay? Let's go to next page to find more. Let's take a look. Action examples. If you see, there is a cute cat. यहाँ पे एक बिल्ली है जो दूध पीती है. Okay? So, cat drinks milk. So here drink is a verb. Cat drinks milk. बिल्ली milk या फिर दूध पीती है. तो पीना is a kriya in Hindi and in English we say drink. यहाँ पे S लगा हुआ है जिसके बारे में हम बात करेंगे मेरी अगली वीडियोस में. Cat drinks milk. Next sentences. So here a rabbit is eating a carrot. Rabbit eats carrots. खरगोश गाजर खाता है. Peacock dances. मोर नाचता है. So I also told that if we add ing in the end of a verb, it tells what is happening or what a person or thing is doing, what a noun is doing at this moment. So let's try adding ing here. Cat is drinking milk. So when we add ing, then we also have to add helping verb. Cat is drinking milk. Rabbit is eating carrots. Peacock is dancing. In my next videos, I will give you more elaborated examples. For now, let's go to next page. Early morning activities example. So here you see there is a kid. His name is Rahul. First sentence says, Rahul wakes up. Rahul jagta hai, wakes up. Wake is a verb. He brushes teeth. So here brush is a verb. And then takes a bath. Take is a verb. He wears his school uniform. So wear is a verb. See? He wakes up, brushes, takes a bath and wears his school uniform. What happens next? आगे क्या होता है? चलो देखते हैं. He takes his bag. Bag उठाया हुआ है राहुल ने. And he goes to his school bus. स्कूल बस जिसमें वो बैठ के स्कूल जाता है. अरे एक चीज तो भूल ही गए हम यहाँ पे. इसको खाना खिलाना तो भूल ही गए. Okay, before he leaves for his school, he eats or take भी कह सकते हैं. He eats or takes his breakfast. ये देखो यहाँ पे खाना खा रहा है, नाश्ता कर रहा है. He takes his breakfast. नाश्ता करता है और स्कूल बस में बैठ के स्कूल चले जाता है. I hope you enjoyed this example. Let's go to next page. So let's practice more. Here are some verbs which we can use in our daily life. Go, come, run, eat, sleep, watch, study, read, smell, laugh, play, dance. अब हम हिंदी में प्रैक्टिस करें. गो माने जाना, कम आना, रन दौड़ना, ईट खाना, स्लीप सोना, वॉच देखना, स्टडी पढ़ना, रीड भी पढ़ना, स्मेल, स्मेल मीन्स स्मेल खुशबू आना, या फिर बदबू के लिए भी स्मेल यूज होता है. लाफ हंसना, प्ले खेलना, डांस नाचना. ओके, सो राहुल गोज टू स्कूल एवरी डे. ही कम्स टू माई होम समटाइम्स. ओके, Ruhan runs very fast. He eats his breakfast on time. He sleeps on time. You all watch my video. Let us study. I love to read books. I read books. This room smells very good. I laugh aloud on his joke. I play with my son. He plays with his football. Peacock dances in the rain. So, please practice more on these words. Let's go to next page. So, my next video will be about verb with ing with examples. Then how a verb changes with person type and also plural form. Then there will be a fun activity in my next video. So keep watching my videos. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, hit the like button, share and subscribe.